Hello everyone, my dear Kuttis. I am Mubina from Hadariya. I hope all are safe with your family. I know that you all are missing your classes. So join with our online classes to learn something in an innovative method. At any time, anywhere from our noble teachers. For more details, contact our office. My dear students, in this video we are going to study about the concept of fraction and the types with examples. Okay, let's move into the topic. Before that, you have some interesting fun facts about fraction. The word fraction has been taken from the Latin word fractus, which means broken. Fraction has been existent from the Egyptian era, which is known to be one of the oldest civilizations in the world. However, fractions were not regarded as numbers. In fact, they were used to compare the whole numbers with one another. 2 by 3 part of the world people are facing difficulties with the fraction. Kutties, do you know what is fraction? Do you have any idea? If your mind is empty, don't worry, let's join with us to learn it. Fraction. It is represent equal parts of a whole or a collection. When we divide a whole into equal parts, each part is a fraction of the whole. For example, one watermelon is divided into 4 equal parts. So, each part is 1/4. A fraction has 2 parts, a by b, which is equal to numerator by denominator. The number on the top of the line is called as the numerator. It tells how many parts of the world or collection is taken. The number below the line is called as denominator. It shows the total divisible number of equal parts of the whole. Dear students, the denominator of a fraction is always a non-zero number. Can you think what will happen if the denominator is 0? The denominator of any fraction can't have the value of 0 if the denominator of a fraction is 0. The expression is not a legal fraction because its overall value is undefined. Hence, they have no meaning. Suppose if the numerator is 0, then the fraction value will be 0. So, this condition can be called as golden rule of mathematics or fraction. A whole number cannot be divided into 0 parts. Now, let's move into the quiz area to recall our concepts. Here, you have some examples. From this, can you pick the correct one? Yes, 2 by 3 is the correct answer because the other 2 examples are not divided into equal parts. The same condition can be applied for the following examples also. if the parts of the whole are divided into unequal parts, then they won't form fraction. The next concept in this topic is types of fractions. We will continue in the next video. Thank you, Kuttis. I will catch you later.